Make sure it's working. Yeah, looks good enough. Okay. All right. All right, so today we don't have a whole lot going on. We've got a couple stocks that look okay. We've got AVXL, and they're going from $9.14 to almost $15. So they've got a good range. It's not really the price point we like to play, but you know it is what it is. We've got tops, also good range, 348 to a top there of 630. So you know we've got what we want out of this so far. I'd like to see it come back down a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna run, but we'll see. RMED's not looking too bad, I guess. It's kind of breaking down from here, but range is about 372 to a top there, 460. So again, we have that range to play in, but so far it's just not looking too great. We've got COSM. Go back to the 1 minute, not the 1 hour. We got lows here, about 39 cents, and highs about 47. So it's an okay range on this as well. This one's at least uptrending. EOSE, we've got $1.05 to $1.32, so good range again, sitting pretty low again. And Cal, I just had open for a potential swing, but we can close that out. ES is not looking too bad, I guess. It's not really doing a whole lot right now. I'm suspecting it's going to do some more when the market opens here, but time will tell. What do we got here? We probably have about 30 seconds. 50 seconds, okay. I'll take a look at anything else that's popping up here. I'm going to look at CTIP. I think I looked at that earlier and it was crap. Yep. Kanji. Yep. Okay, well, that's it. That's the end of that list. I could try IoT again, but I did look at this pretty recently. Nope. Novum. I'm pretty sure one of my long-term portfolios has NOV in at like $6 or something. So this is not looking good for me, but it's, that's a different story. Let's see. Does the down doji candle near 8 a.m. on AVXL show up on your broker charts? Let's take a look. So this one right here, that's what you're talking about? Oh, Jesus. Tracer just screamed at me. Let's take a look. AVXL. No, it does not appear that it showed up on my brokerage either. Interesting. All right, so tops is heading down. We've got AVXL looking like it could potentially head up, and I think that's going to be my first buy. AVXL probably closer to that 1240 mark, not 1230 mark. We do have quite a ways down we could go, but I'm thinking like 1230. I'm gonna go for 1450 and probably at like an 1180. Let's see here. What we got? We gotta get 1170 off this. Well, we're down to 10 or 1220. So we could probably push that to 1180. But not quite sure we'll be able to get this down where I want it to be. So that'll just have to do. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. AVXL. What's tops doing? 560 currently. Looks like it might push down to the VWAP line, maybe for a bounce. RMED with a nice little bounce there as well. COSM, nice bounce. EOSE not doing much. COSM. 45 cents is looking like a good area all around to get into, even if we don't get into it right this second. I want to go 45. I'd like to go 44 actually, and then maybe go for 55 with a 40. Give it a 42. And the reason I want to do that is because on the hourly chart, we're bouncing right off this 39 zone, so we're pretty close to the 200 EMA on the hourly, which is a good support. Now we're not quite there, but it's worth a shot. RMED jumping up dramatically. It looks like we're just picking the wrong stocks here. Well, COSM wasn't the wrong stock, but the other one was. So far, anyway. We might have to try again on COSM later at that 40. I'd really like to see it back down here where it was before, around that 40, 39 area. But we'll probably not get that while the market's open and, you know, not flushing. So we have ABXL here pretty low. If you've already gotten in, you're pretty close to stop out. If you haven't gotten in, now it's looking like a good time right on the support area. So I'm going to be jumping in on that. We've got tops sitting on that VWAP line so far. It's looking kind of bullish at this point, but I'm going to leave it be for now. RMED back down to 417, and I think RMED at 417 looks pretty good. I kind of want to hit at least 460 with it, and maybe just give it $4 stuff. Where's $4 bring us? It doesn't bring us quite low enough, but you know what? We're getting pretty low here, so we could try for a 410, 405. Let's do that. I'm going to jump in here. We're going to go 405, and we're going to go for a 390, and that's going to give us the room I want. So 390 is going to be down here. That's going to break into a new low of market open. Tops looks like it might turn around here. We're going to stop out on ABXL either way. And that's going to be an 1180 stop. You know what? I could have given that more room given where I got in, but it is what it is. COSM did reach up to 49 cents. So if you got in at 45, 46, 49 is not bad. We are on our way back down, so if you're waiting for your entry, you might get it. If you jumped in early, definitely take profit somewhere up here. Sorry, these lines don't mean a whole lot. Yet. RMED up a little bit here. That's RMED. Okay. Looking fairly bullish. Tops looking like it is going to turn around here. This could be a little bit of a fake out. 5 minutes showing a little bit of bullish pressure, so I'm going to go ahead and jump in on tops. Give it a chance here. 525. We're going to aim for $6 and then maybe a 5. Yeah, we can't really afford to give this a ton of room. Let's just give it a $5 stop. Give it a 5 stop because I don't really want to give it even more room than that. I'm not expecting to see another drop that low. I'm expecting the recovery, so we're okay with that. So we did get down to the bottom of 46 cents here on COSM. So I mean, if you got in at 45, you're probably looking at a 44 stop. If you got in at 46, you're probably looking at a 45 stop. I'll put this down at 44. That was a nice tail there and all the way back up. RMED's kind of struggling here. Tops is looking okay though. So tops. All right, so for tops, I mean, realistically, we're probably looking at, if you got in around 525, 550 is going to be a good place to take a little bit off the table. After 550, you're probably going to look at 580, and then we're going to be looking at $6. ABXL's dead. RMED's still dropping a little bit. So for COSM, if you did get in on this drop at 46 cents, you're going to be looking at about 48 to take profit, or 49. Beyond this, though, if you're, 51 cents is going to be our next price target. If we drop back down to the VWAP here at 45, I'll probably buy in. EOSE not really moving. Well, tops stopping us out. Look at that. That was just a nasty, nasty candle. Two nasty ones right after each other. Damn, got faked out there. We actually moved up to 540. Market's just looking like crap today. Everything's kind of dropping. I'm going to take a look and see if we've got other things that we could be looking at. We got RIGL also heading down, but you know what? It might be a good turnaround eventually here. Wow, is that really it? Let's take a look at IoT since it opened. It's $12. I really don't even like that range if we don't have to. KTRA, oh man. Swung this from like 410 to almost $10. This was good. The enter tops at 507. So 507. Their stop's probably going to be around this 480. I probably put it a little bit below 480. I know it's a big stop, but at least you got a little bit of support in that area. 475, yeah, that's going to be good. RMED's on its way back up here to 420. If you got in 405, take some profits. Calls them down to that 45-cent area. This is kind of where I'm interested in maybe buying it again. AVXL, possible curl. Yeah, I agree. That does look like it's going to curl. That's definitely a possibility. Tops is looking pretty good here, actually. I'm just not completely convinced it's not a dead cat bounce. Cosm continues to fall, so we're not going to jump in on that quite yet. RIGL, what's the bottom here? 88 cents to 95. Yeah, this range isn't great. It's okay, but it's not great. Yeah, Tops is looking... well, AVXL is looking half decent as well. So, I mean, if we got in 11.25... I don't know about this. Tops doing its thing. All right, let's give Tops another run. 510, going to go for at least 580. I'm gonna go for a 490. 490? See, we need this room. That's the problem, right? I'd like to get in 490, actually, is what I would like. And then, again, 580, and then probably like a 470. Yeah, I agree, 475 for a support, or for a stop loss. And then we're just gonna say trying to get down that low. Top bounced, yep. I stopped on Tops initially and I got in 490 and now I made all my loss in green. Way to go. Way to go. Yeah, Tops is like... I was kind of scared this was going to be a dead cat bounce, but you know what? We're seeing at least a decent amount of volume on the way back up here, so it's not looking too bad. So far, anyway. Cosm, yeah, see, Cosm's breaking down lower here, but this is not necessarily bad because what we want to see is we want to see it near that 39-cent mark again, or for at least 40 cents. If we can get this around 40 cents, there's like a halfway decent chance we could probably bounce off the 39. RMAD's still sitting around doing not a whole lot. Tops is going, so I mean, depending where you got in here, if you got in around that 515, 510 area, you're looking pretty decent. If you're waiting, you're probably going to be waiting a long time to get in now. You're in Tops, good. So, I mean, we're already at 545. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit off the table. That's 545. It looks like it might come back down from there anyway, but, I mean, I think we might go for another bounce. My entry is 515. I hesitated, could have gotten a little lower. So at 515, I mean, I could really just go, you know, I'm going to keep it at 475 anyways, because I think I really need that room. I'll cut if it starts to look bad, though. Glad you were patient. Risky to enter right now. As a long, I would say yes, but I mean, you can always have a tight stop loss and just take that chance. RMID complete breakdown, so we got a little bit of profit out of that. Nothing great though, and it's not looking too good right now. We'll see what happens here. Cosm bouncing off of pretty much perfectly off that 200. RIGL doing okay. All right, let's take a look at. What was I looking at? Oh, that was just RMED. Pretty sure something else popped up there. IoT, EOSC, we have all of this still. There's Scythe. No, I don't like that. SATX. Don't like that either. Nope. Nope. All G. Nope. All right, we're back to Wriggle. Lost my mouse there for a second. Tops, you know what, it's still holding. Yeah, AVXL is not really going for that curl up, and I don't think RMAD's really holding very well here either. Okay, seeing as how we bounced on Cosm, I'm thinking I could probably look for another Cosm entry here at 0.44-ish, maybe 0.45, 4.4 to 4.5. We're going to go for 0.49 again with a 0.42, so give it 2 cents from where you get in. Honestly, you don't even need 0.42 as a stop. You could have, you could probably just have 0.43 here. That would be just as fine, I think. Arma dead cat bounce potentially. Tops taking most of the volume here, so we know we're supposed to be focusing on tops. Oh, it's going to be another boring day. At least Cosm's looking good. $20 EMA. I'll put a 20 EMA on. Can I just duplicate this? I feel like I know there's a... You know what? I could probably just add it. Nope. Okay. EMA. Resistance. Is my 20 EMA different from yours? Length. I don't think that honestly changed anything. Length 200. Smoothing. Why is this different? There's no smoothing. What's my 9 EMA? Yeah. I feel like I got the wrong 9 EMA there. That's just what it is. Yeah. Light blue 537. Mine was not 537, I don't think. Oh, I think I just added it twice. No, why do I have why do I have a bunch of 9 EMAs? I want 20. EMA. Well, you know, it's... Oh, I'm not even looking at the right stock. That's probably, you know, that would help if I was looking at the right thing. 2537? Yeah, okay. No, that's right. I don't know what the hell I was doing on Cosm then. I don't want that on Cosm. Actually, just get rid of that. I'll save on this one and then move over tomorrow. Or Monday. Is today Friday? I think today's Friday. This week went by really fast, but somehow very slow all at the same time. We did hit 47 cents on Cosm, so if you got in at 45, you know that 47 cents is a good place to take profit. Oops. Let's go ahead and I guess I'll just make that call. Cosm 0.47. So I know we didn't really get to talk about it yesterday, but there's not really like a goal for this. We're just basically normally day trading. We're just, you know, focusing on keeping track of the rules and stuff. We're just going for maximum 5% stop loss with 5% of the trade portfolio in every trade. Trade portfolio? Just 5% of the portfolio in each trade. And we'll see what we can get that to at each month. Started with 5K. So, what are we at right now? Probably not much more than 5K. We are at $5,240 currently, and 30 of that is from today. That's how slow it is. We've made $30 in 15 minutes. Or 17, I guess, but same, same. EOSE, let's take a look at EOS. Yeah, Where did I get Cosm at? 45. I want to practice and get better at trading while also practicing when to stop trading. Maybe 41 bucks, there you go. Your red $3? Ah. Oh. Yeah, you made more money than I did, Rami. What the hell? Yeah, I think I'm only up 30 bucks today. Let me double check. Yeah, I'm only up 30 bucks. I wouldn't say that you necessarily have to call it, but you can sit on your hands and wait for a good opportunity. You know, like, it's really hard because, like, you get bored, and then there's, like, that intuitive side to you that says, I shouldn't be getting into this trade. I'm just doing it because I'm bored, and then you do it anyway. But if you can stop the doing it anyway part, then it usually ends up being better for you because you can just sit there and patiently wait for entries. Like, I can't do that on ES. I'm either going long or I'm going short. I'm not sitting on my hands. So I have to, whenever I want to take the trade, I'm just like, okay, what way is it going? I can't just wait. Yeah, definitely. Holy boring. My God. Let's take a look at this TYLS. TLYS. TLYS, yes. I am dyslexic. $10. No, don't like that. Let's check out other people's watch lists. Maybe I missed something. Cosm, Armed, Tops, Wriggle, HLBZ, RDHL. Oh no, those are going down. HLBZ is the only one that Trade Pilots has that I missed. Let's take a look. Any good? Any good? Any good? Not really. Not really at all. Going from 22 to 20. I'll give it 25. So 3 cents. No. Yeah. No. Garbage. All garbage. Everything's garbage. Tops knife. Would you wait for 490 for an entry? Yeah, I probably would. Because you want to have at least a 475 stop. In fact, I'd probably say if you want to be really safe, you probably want like a 460 stop. 460 would be the perfect stop. So wherever you can get in and have a 460 stop, that's where I'd be looking to do it with. And obviously, the lower you get, the less you're risking. So it's even better. But we'll see, I guess. Well, I mean, at least Cosm's kind of holding. Everything else is kind of dropping so far, except Wriggle. Wriggle's just going for it. Armed is dead? Yeah. I'm pretty sure Armed had, like, decent news, too. Where's Armed here? Continue to rise after Thursday's data. And then Thursday's data was RA Medical System shares rise 18% after usage data for Vivo Imaging System. Yeah, it's pretty meh. Yeah, that's pretty meh. It's like, congratulations, people are using your product. That's actually not that exciting. At least not to me. By the way, guys, if you guys aren't having any luck with pennies right now, Omar's live trading as well. So you can always, skip out and go and see if he's got something going on that's any better than what we're doing here. Because he might be having more luck with, I think he watches SPX. We could probably take a look at SPX. Well, yes, trading. Yeah, Spy's not doing anything either. All right, so never mind. His trading's probably fairly boring as well. I should open up my Ninja Trader and just start trading futures here because this is looking pretty boring. Yeah, no kidding. That was a nasty dump. I wish I caught it. I caught a nice long here though. And then I caught a nice short. I didn't catch the whole thing though. I stopped, where did I stop? I think it was like 40.20. I cut my short. Made like quick 500 bucks and then onto my next account after I'm done with this. So I've definitely made more with futures today than pennies. So we did get down to 490 there on tops. Looks okay at best. Wriggle, nice drop, Wriggle. Just turning bearish there on MACD a little bit, but looks like it'll come back up. And I'm honestly just too not enthusiastic about the stock to want to even get in here at 90 cents, even though you could bring it up to 95 and get like 5.5%. Tops, I'm still waiting. I haven't put out the alert yet. I should jump in because I think this is the only thing that's really going to be an opportunity here. Tops, 490. I just want like 550 out of it. I don't think that's a lot to ask for. And then a 460. Oh, that's a 30-cent stop. That's huge still. I'm going to go 470 for a stop. Not like that's any better, but at least I'm risking less. We'll see. We'll see. Calls it back up to 47 cents. Still looking at least for 48. How much am I putting in per trade? Well, I'm buying 50 shares of tops. What's that, 250? Yeah, 250. 5% of the portfolio. I don't know why I had to do the math. It's 5% of $5,000, so 250. It's actually like 251. 251? I made $30 today. Maybe it's still 250. What's Cal doing? Cal dipped down to 12, back up to 13. Yep, 5% each stock, each trade. 50 shares, 50. $250. I'm putting $250 into each trade, so that's 50 shares of tops. Just looking okay right now. It's getting there. It's slowly getting there. Holy moly, man. I don't think we're going to beat yesterday. I think we're going to be basically doing nothing here. This is brutal. How do I always buy at a lower price? You're buying ask and bid. I'm just doing market buys, but it kind of depends on your timing, right? So it really depends on the timing, and you got to watch the spread, which is this thing right here on the right-hand side. This is the DOM. So these white numbers in between are the numbers that you're getting filled. If you're buying, you're going to be filled at the top. If you're selling, you're going to get filled at the bottom. It's pretty much how that works. So you kind of want an area where there's no white numbers between. So that's just good to have on like the side here. You can watch it up here on the left-hand side as well. The spread's shown right here. But I mean, like, to me, I like the visual here so that if I'm not I don't have to actually look at it to see how much spread there is. My IBKR screen, actually not allowed to do that. But I think they added something where you can hide your personal info, so we just had to talk to our lawyer about that. Maybe that one's like doable if I figure out how to do that. I know someone said I can do it on OBS because that's what I use to like overlay my scanners on top of it, but it's really complicated to use, or maybe I'm just really bad at it. Although there's not really a lot to be seen on that screen. I don't know. It's literally just like a small chart trader and an entry box. That's all I use. And I think I have a portfolio open as well. Part of its charts fills or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, iHotkey. Yeah, iHotkey for the most part. And when it comes to selling shares, if it's like today where it's slow, sometimes I'll just use the order entry box because it is what it is. I am in tops yet. What did I fill on tops? 503. Armed's dumping again. Cosm's not doing anything. EUSE's not doing anything. Wriggle's not doing anything. Honestly, staying on your head is probably the best thing to do right now. There's really like nothing to even trade. Waiting for like something in the market to pick up some news, but it's not happening. It's really, really boring so far. What do we have for trades here? Too many is the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we're at 7 trades, but holy crap, man. At this, I'd be surprised if we hit 10 trades, to be honest. Unless we find something that's range bound that we can just range trade. But I mean, like Cosm is a hard maybe because we know we've done that a couple times now. But it did just hit bottom of 45. If we can get 44 somewhere and sell again at 47, we might be able to squeak out some profits today just doing that over and over. NBLD, let's take a look. Yeah, I can't say I'm a huge fan of this either. I'll keep it open though, maybe it'll move. Wriggle, it looks like it's at the bottom here, but like again, I'm not really too keen on it. Yes, yeah, well, kind of. I have the auto-calculate amount, and then I have a 3% stop loss, and then I'll just manually move my stop loss where I need it to be. Cosm looks like it's going, damn it, I should have picked some more up at 45. Tops back up, which is good. Nice, nice. Let's see if we can do something here. I think Tops does have a good chance that it runs back up at least to $6, but it's going to take a while to get there. It's going to be a pain. It's one of those times where it might even be just better to keep adding on the dips and then just wait for it to rip, because I feel like eventually it's going to. What do we got here? 520. I could take a little bit of around 520. Some small profits. Tops 520-ish. We'll see where we can get this. We're back down to 45 on Cosm. Still looking for 44. I'd like to see another bounce off the 200. Armed continues to die. Top's not doing anything. AVXL, not really. I think this could return back up there as well. 1250 or so. USC not doing anything. Comms not doing anything. Oh my god. Let's just watch ES. ES is fun. Funner. I'm gonna open up. Wait. What does this say? No, paper trading. Connect. Yep, connect. Let's do this. Let's paper trade this. I would go short here. Well, this looks different from the last time I used it. Where's the P&L on it? Did they move the P&L somewhere else on the paper trade? Profit 10. Oh, I have 3. Why do I have 3? I have no idea what's going on, how I have 3 shares when it says 1 there. I don't know. We'll come back to this though. We'll just paper trade for a while. Wriggle not doing anything. EOS not doing anything. Anything doing anything? No. Okay. We are in profit. Can I place a buy order? I actually don't really know how to use this. $17 green. Let's go. You just made minimum wage for almost an hour's worth of, well, half an hour of work. I would like to, let's flatten that. Yeah. Close position. Okay. History. When is this? Was this now? No, 21st. It's not the 21st. What the hell's going on with this? 1202, that's today. Yeah, what the, how did I end up with 3 shares? And I don't know. AVXL smoked you, yeah, everything looks like a little bit like a bull trap right now. Every time you see something like half good, it's just not good. It's not worth playing it. There's almost nothing worth even touching right now. Ooh, Toro says to short here. I would be betting against this. I want to go long on this. There we go. Now it's popping up like it should. I feel like, I hate that I can't do it like Ninja Trader where you just click and then say sell. Wait. No, yeah, that doesn't happen like this. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens with this. Ooh, we had a nice drop there. 43 on, that was the bottom there. You know what? Let's jump into, I know this is risky. You don't have to follow me on this, but Cosm 0.43, 0.47, and then a 0.41 stop loss. The red and blue squares in the quarter. These? Okay, I'll try that. We'll try that. Looks like Toro's kicking my ass right now. That's okay though. We'll come back. We're already back up to 40. We touched 45. We're back to 44 though. Taking some profits. Cosm 0.45. We're gonna slowly make some money here. Cosm. Hey, we're back in profit. Let's go. I just want like $100 on it. Didn't call what out? ES? Didn't I call Cosm out? Did I type in the right thing? Wait, why didn't it come through? I'll show you. I think my bot might be... No, because it just sent out the other alert. Where's the chat? Oh, you know what it is? I just saw what it was. I did make a mistake. I didn't put a space after... Wow, it just didn't put it out at all. That's weird. Yeah, I didn't put a space after I said Cosm and then put the price. That's lame. That's not good. Oh man, I missed my profit potential on ES. Now I'm gonna be broke. What's this account start with? $1 million. Okay. Or 900,000 or something. I still think this is gonna go up. Oh yeah, now Toro's on my side. Sure. Yeah, I guess I need to... Sideways is the best way at 125 bucks. 200 bucks. Let's go. Whoa, okay, sold too early. Now we're gonna short. Let's go. Give me some money. Nope, wrong way. Wrong way. There we go. We're back to green. 50 bucks. 60 bucks. 70 bucks. 80 bucks. Getting close to 100. There's 100 right there. Oh my god, this is too slow. Ninja Trader's much faster. Scalping on paper trading. What's this called? Trading View? Yeah, Trading View. It's hard. This is not fun. And this is why hotkeys are good. Is there hotkeys for this? Does this have hotkeys itself? I don't think it does. I don't even know how it figured that. Oh yeah, there you go. Shift B, and that's probably what Shift S. All right, let's give this a try. Oh really? He's still gonna ask me? Is there a way I can opt out from it? Ask me. Okay, well I've got in late to this now, but it's in settings, trading, buy sell buttons, instant order placement. Hell yeah! All right, we're about to make some money. Well, we're still making money because I'm just a god at futures or something. But I'm gonna take those profits. I clicked on it. Shift B, not Control B. There we go. Nice little jump. Why is it S and B? I know why it's S and B, but this is stupid. Okay, we buy there. Or sell. We'll wait for it. God in futures? No, trust me, I'm not a god in futures. It takes too much patience for me to do futures properly. Like, look how many trades I've already placed in a matter of like 4 minutes. If I just held, I probably could have made more. Oh no, go down. That's okay. We're gonna hit the top here, and it'll maybe average in one. Yeah, average in there. We'll see that come back down. Top's not doing anything still, so that's fun. COSM not doing anything. EUS E might do something. I don't know. I don't see it. Today would have been a good day to just take off trading. You know? Like, why are we here? I just don't understand. Clearly, there's no money in the market. You think it's curling? Well, we're getting very close to finding out here. If it can break through this high, probably like 1150, I'd say, yeah, it's probably curling. Oh, we shot up a little bit higher than I anticipated there. We're pretty low right now. I could cut my losses, but I think I'll still walk away from this with some profit. Paper trading ES, yeah. Stuff gets buggy if I have my futures account open and my IBKR account, and I got my Trade Zero account, so too many accounts. I'd rather just paper trade this right now. Lots of big wicks on this, so I'm anticipating this is going to drop. Expo Jesse says long. I mean, he's the market master here, so I could be wrong. We gonna find out. What's the 5 minute saying? 5 minutes saying, yeah, could go either way. I'm still thinking short though. Don't know what to tell you. We'll find out. Keltner bands are trending up, yeah. I'm just looking for a little bit of profit. I'll probably get it. Oh, Tops, can you do something? Holy moly, this is so boring. Or COSM, like anything. Yeah, I still got a little bit of COSM, and I got a little bit of Tops as well. I've taken some profits on both of them, but what do we have for profits for the day? I'm kind of curious now. We're at $47 in profit. I'm going to be making $47 an hour at this point. Basically wiped it all out on ES here. Not basically. 100% wiped it all out. Alright, time to close that. That was a bad trade. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, Shift C does not close, so I guess we just have to sell it. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. 1, 0. Okay. We're done. We got it. We figured it out. You did do that in your real job? Yeah. Alright, let's go long then. We'll see. I think it's not really going to go much higher, but who knows? Jesse knows. That's who knows. Cause I'm not doing anything. Yeah, we're still got nothing going on. This is brutal. Do we have anything new? No, we don't even have anything new. This is just straight up I think this is the worst day of trading in like at least a couple months. Hey, there's some profit. Oh, would you look at that? I hate that it's not control. Instead shift. I'm gonna sell it right there. Open a short just for a quick one here. $50. I think I could get more than that. Does that kick you guys out when that happens? Or does it stop you from talking when Amar exits his stream? $60. Come on. Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting more than $60. 75, 80, 80, 80. I'll take it. I could probably get more out of it, but yeah, can anybody talk in this room after he leaves? I think that was a problem yesterday. Let's see. I might be. Okay, how do I fix that now if we can't get in the room? I could exit, but if I exit, I have to set everything back up, and it will kick everybody out of the room, I believe. Maybe it won't kick you guys out of the room. I don't actually know. Yeah, let's just talk in VIP, guys. We'll just do that for now. Yeah, everyone can move over to the VIP chat. We're gonna fix that eventually. I think KSauce was gonna fix that yesterday, actually, but I don't think he got around to it. But it's the problem when you have so many people going live, and like we have complicated bots that take away access and give access when people are on live. Fixed? Okay, there we go. Perfect. No, I don't need to do that right now. That's fine. Now I have to... There's so many channels, I can't even find where I want to be on these. There we go. Are we long or short? I'll go short. I'm going to go short. I think this is not looking great. Whoa. What did I just pull here? I didn't mean to pull that. Oh my god, what is... No, stop. Stop. Jesus. Okay, anyways. 504, Top's not doing anything. Ahmed not doing... I got it. I don't even think I have to say it. I'm just going to look through quickly every time and tell you guys that nothing's going on, because nothing's going on. This one's actually gapping up a little bit, which is not really what we want to see, but at least there's like something happening. What's my SL and Cosm? 40... Yeah, 41. I was like, that can't be right, but yeah, we did get it in 43, so... Oh, almost $200 in profit on ES. I should be doing this on my real account. This would be fantastic. 200 bucks. I'll buy. Or close, I mean. Wait for that retracement and reopen a short, maybe like over here. Patiently waiting. It's not going to give it to me. It would have come up by now if it was going to. Okay, I'll open a short here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we're back in here now. We got it sorted, at least for today. I hate relying on indicators, so frequently I just try to fight Toro, and I lose like 80% of the time. Toro's usually more right than I am on ES. Penny stocks, probably not. I'm still probably better, but futures I'm for sure worse at than Toro. Toro says short, yeah. Yeah, well, since we're on the topic, guys, I did mention it yesterday, but I mean, not everyone might have been here yesterday, but Toro's 25 bucks right now, and on the 5th, I also forgot what it goes up to. Hang on, let me check. I think it goes up to 80 bucks, though. Yeah, 80 bucks. So if you guys want Toro, now is the time. We did talk about it briefly, yes, not even briefly. I think we spent like half an hour talking about the price changes and stuff, but the gist of it was lock in your plans now because they're going up. Same thing with Toro. It's 25 bucks right now. It's going up to 80 because it'll be out of beta or whatever. But whatever your billing thing is, that's what you'll continue to get charged. Going for a VWAP balance. Let's hope. Are you holding a short, Jackal? Nice, nice. Yeah, this was a pretty bullish 1 minute candle. I don't like that. But you know what? We're gonna continue to hold here. We're gonna see what happens. It is washy. Wishy and washy. My confidence in this has dramatically decreased over the last 1 minute. Never mind. I'm a little more confident now. 125, 150. I think I'm good here. Oh, it went up a little bit. Damn it. Come back. No, come back. I hate when that happens. You make your mind like, I'm going to sell here because I'm good with the profits, and then they're just gone. Yeah, this is like really bullish looking. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that short. I might even go long here. Yeah. Strictly off price action to start, should start to move back up. So we'll see. Yeah, fuck you, Kendall. Sorry, can't say that on YouTube. I don't even know if I can say that on... I'm pretty sure I can say that on Discord. We own this. Hey, I'm a little bit in profit. Do we have anything doing anything? Tops is starting to move a little bit. Armed's not doing anything. Cosm's dropping. EOS again. Looks like it could push, but to what? 2 cents? 3 cents? AVXL? Yeah, AVXL's kind of been moving, I guess, but again, like, I just don't trust AVXL, and I really hate the price range. Like, 80 cents, still not really worth it. See, I'm better than Toro. It's now saying long. I've been in a long for like 2 minutes. And it went away just to spite me, but I think I'm going to actually close this. And short. $50 on a pullback, I'll take it. And go long again. That's probably a bad idea. This was a bad idea. Those are very bearish looking 1 minute candle there, so I'm going to be suffering here for a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to have to close this out. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm going to close it out. I'll go short again. This is exactly what my NinjaTrader account looks like if I don't take these stupid symbols off. It's just like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now view up. Oh, now it's pushing up. Oh, no. There's just like, you know what? I'm kind of, even though I'm making money on it right now, I'm still kind of glad I'm on a paper account with it because this is like super unpredictable and I could just as easily be losing money like right now. Technically, I think I'm still working back that $500 loss or whatever I took. Was that the top or the bottom that I have to look at? That's 421. It's down here. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? Cosm not doing anything. Tops finally starting to move a little bit up. We're not even close to where we need to be though. We're just at that point where I took profit before. And now view up. Right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me $100. $100. Let's go. That's all I want. Just $100. That's hilarious. That's like all the signals you could possibly get for going short. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. What about the 5 minute? What's the 5 minute saying? 5 minute ain't saying anything. Well, that would have been a disappoint. Well, I mean, I guess depends where. 426 to 4. It could have been okay, but surprised you didn't get a long signal here from Toro. I mean, I know it told you to close out the short there, but I felt like there should have been a long signal right after, but I guess the market's just so choppy right now that it's not really giving you those big 5 minute signals. Just give me like $100 of profit. I don't even want VWAP. Just give me the $100, and then you can continue going back up and, you know, not give Jackal VWAP. It's not going to do it. It's just going to go straight back up. I can feel it. We're not seeing anything happen at all. I've been complaining more than I've been trading. I was really confused what that was that you put out by the squinty eyes. Just not give Jackal VWAP. Whose side am I on? Well, I mean, I have to sell my soul to ES to make money. That's how it works. Yeah, Toro says long. I know. I'm a little worried about it. Usually its long signals are pretty good, as we can tell from this one. The short signals, they're a little scalpy right now, but the long signals tend to be good. I really should just close out the short. Yeah, I'm going to close it out and open back long. I'll average down if I need to. What was that freaky face? Oh, what did I type in to get that? I don't know. If I type in... Oh, what if I type in creepy face? What pops up? This pops up. Oh, there's some really actually creepy faces. Like this one? That's creepy. Could you imagine? Of course Toro screws me here. Are you still short, Jackal? Come on, you can't be short. There's no way you held your short. No, you probably did. I'm still waiting for tops to do something here. I cannot believe the lack of volume in the market today. It's gonna go up. Ooh, you're gonna get wrecked. It's going up. It's going up. Let's go. Nice giant green candle. Let's see it. No, it's not gonna go up. It's not gonna give it to me. I like how it's using my entry. Oh, really? Oh, really? No, but I'll get wrecked. Oh my god, right down to VWAP. I knew it. I knew it. It's past VWAP too. It's still going. That's annoying. Whatever. Whatever. You win this time. Don't mess with the Jackal. The Jackalgo. Jacko Algo. That's hard to say. You're gonna have to change your name. That went all the way down to 40.38 from 40. That was a 10-point candle right there. Jackalgo. Jackalgo. No, that's even harder. Jack Algo. I wouldn't even be thinking about going long here either, or short. I would just not be touching this right now. All right, well, you know what? We got tops. Tops is starting to move, so that's good. We're out of time, but it is starting to move. Cosm's starting to go back up too, so like maybe we're gonna see some volume here in the next little bit. But we'll go over the tracker and we'll show you guys the massive gains we have today. $47.84, and I'm gonna say the cents because it really counts today. We're at $5,258. We've made $258 in 2 days, and that's not really from today at all. We made 25% on calls today. Although we still have Cosm and we still have tops, and tops starting to look good. I actually should close out some more here pretty quick. Besides that, though, I mean, I guess it was okay at least a little bit. Pinpoint precision. Yep. All right. Taking some profits. Tops 540-ish. All right. So we went over that. Yeah, we made about 40, I guess $50 now, which is cool. Did we make $50? I want to see at least $50 on this. $56. Hell yeah. Okay. So we made $56 today. We still got Cosm open. We still have a little bit of tops open. So you never know. We could hit $60. It's not impossible to hit $60 for the day, but I'm gonna let you guys go, and you guys can suffer solo. And I will see you guys Monday. Hopefully. What am I trying to hit on Cosm? Ideally, I would like to see it at least get back to the top here at 48, but like 47 would be, if we don't start moving up like fast soon, I'm going to start to try to close it at like 47. But yeah, that 47 is probably more than likely what's going to happen here. Tops, I'd like to hit 580. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. See you guys.